creamy vanilla ice cream swirled with sweet rum-soaked raisins. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make rum and raisin ice cream. For this recipe, you're going to need half cup of raisins, and you're going to take your knife and cut them into small pieces. You don't want to cut them too fine, but just enough to where you don't have big pieces of raisins in your ice cream. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements in the description box below for you. Next, you're going to put your raisins in a container that has a lid. And the reason for that is because you're going to put some rum over it and let it soak overnight. To that, I'm going to add a quarter cup of Caribbean white rum. Press down your raisins in the rum to make sure everything gets covered. You can use white rum or dark rum, it doesn't matter as long as it's rum. Cover it and let the raisins soak in the rum overnight. Okay, so the next day you're going to get a big bowl and add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream to that. 2 cups of whole milk. And 1 cup of white sugar. Stir that until the sugar is completely dissolved. Next, you're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla to that and a pinch of salt. And the salt just enhances the flavor of the ice cream. And then you're going to add the rum and the raisin to that. And look at that, look how nice and plump the raisins are with the rum. Stir that really well. Okay, now it's time to put this in my ice cream maker, and this will take about 25 minutes in my ice cream maker. I've always loved rum and raisin ice cream. I grew up eating this. This is a very popular flavor in Belize. Everyone likes it. Even the picnic like it. And if you don't know, picnic is the kids. The kids like it. When I used to go to town, I would always get rum and raisin ice cream or soursop ice cream, crabble ice cream, cheesecake ice cream. I mean, then I'm my favorite. What's your favorite flavor of ice cream? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, now that it's finished, I'm just going to put this in my container and then put it in the freezer. I notice here they say rum raisin ice cream, but as Belizeans we say rum and raisin ice cream. We put the "an" in there. I tell you, this ice cream couldn't freeze quick enough. I can't wait. You know how long I not eat ice cream like this? And then I'm gonna wait make the weather change too, because you know it make cold. So then once it get warm, I said I have to make some rum and raisin ice cream. And oh my goodness, that's the best thing I could ever do. I'm gonna eat ice cream like it going out of style. I think the last time I make sugar cane ice cream, I'm gonna eat it like it going out of style too. Oh, and if you want that sugar cane ice cream, I'm going to leave it linked below for you. Man, but just look on this ice cream. Look how nice this thing look. I dare me to try decide if I want to put 2 scoop or 3 scoop, but then I end up to put 3 because the thing may look like you need more. But my gosh, this cone's so big, I feel like my ice cream the last up in there. Oh my gosh. So if you've never had rum and raisin ice cream before, you have to try it. It's a whole new flavor. It's gonna unlock a whole new door for you. You have to try it. It's the best. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.